Toys for Tots, a helping hand, calling all donations. Those are a few of the ways that Chrysler spread the holiday cheer throughout the year under the Pentastar. Chrysler employees were in the giving spirit this year, donating their time and resources for many worthwhile causes. Thousands of underprivileged kids will have a happier holiday this year thanks to a $100,000 donation to Marine Toys for Tots and enough presents to fill 5 Chrysler and Dodge minivans. Following a check presentation at the Chrysler Tech Center, Leonard Slatkin, the new conductor of the Detroit Symphony Orchestra, entertained employees with his first public performance. The Chrysler employees flew to Southern California in October to distribute supplies to victims of the California wildfires. In addition to helping in the recovery efforts, the Chrysler team presented checks totaling $200,000 to help those in need. Well, more than $10.36 million was raised for the United Way this year, including a company record $60,000 at the kickoff event in August. It was slime time in October for 5 Chrysler executives who were doused with green gunk to raise money for the United Way. Pies were flying at the Kenosha engine plant in Wisconsin at a fundraiser there. Chrysler Canada donated $1.68 million to kick off its United Way fundraising in October. They're separated by thousands of miles, but U.S. troops serving in Iraq and their loved ones back home were able to reconnect thanks to Chrysler's video conferencing facilities. U.S. Army Specialist Sean Stamps, a Pontiac, Michigan native serving in Iraq, was the first to use the service free of charge. Stamps saw and spoke to his family at Chrysler headquarters. Other U.S. troops plan to use the service over the holiday season. Hundreds of Chrysler employees and their families donated their time to build an inner-city playground in Highland Park, Michigan, for 500 students at the Best Academy Charter School. Among the volunteers working for the nonprofit group Kaboom to build the playground was Chrysler Chairman Bob Nardelli. Well, those are just a few of the ways that Chrysler employees gave back to their communities this year. Wishing you a happy holiday and a great new year. For Under the Pentastar, I'm Ed Garston.